Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions.
Today, we are diving into the world of creativity and convenience by showing you how to download Capcut on your Android device. That is right, your gateway to jaw-dropping transitions, viral edits, and making your cat look like it is dancing to a K-pop beat is just a few taps away. Now, I know what you are thinking. Isn't downloading an app the easiest thing ever? Sure, in a perfect world. But sometimes, the Google Play Store doesn't play nice, or you might need a few tips to make sure everything works smoothly. That is where we come in. Here's what we will cover today. Method 1. Downloading directly from the Google Play Store. Method 2. Troubleshooting app installation issues. Grab your phones and maybe your favorite editing inspiration playlist, because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to create like a pro. Let us dive in. Section 1. The Google Play Store method. First up, the classic way. Straight from the Google Play Store, it is as easy as pie. Open the Google Play Store and search for Capcut. Tap install, and in a few moments, it is ready to go. If this works perfectly, congrats, you are one of the lucky ones. If not, don't worry, we've got a plan B. Section 2. Troubleshooting tips. If the Play Store decides to give you a hard time, here's what to do. 1. Check your phone's storage, because those endless meme screenshots might be hogging all the space. 2. Clear the cache and data for the Google Play Store by going to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, Storage, Clear Cache. 3. Restart your phone and try again. Classic IT move. It works more often than you think. 4. Ensure your internet connection is stable, because a shaky Wi-Fi signal can slow down or stop the download. When in doubt, restart it out. It is the universal tech fix. And if all else fails, ask your tech-savvy friend for moral support. And there you have it, folks. With these tips, Capcut is now ready to help you create your editing masterpiece. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button for more tech hacks from Wireless Solutions. Now go edit those videos like the star you are, and maybe save the cat videos for a rainy day. See you in the next video. Bye for now.